In this video, I want to look at the relationship between angles formed by parallels and transversals. Let's suppose we have two parallel lines. Here I'm going to call these L and M. If we have another line that crosses them, I'll call it N. This line N is known as a transversal. So a transversal is just a line that is going to intersect two parallel lines. And so here we actually form a lot of different angles. We have, I'm going to call these A, B, C, and D. And then down here we have angles E, F, G, and H. And there are a lot of relationships between these angles. The first angles I want to look at are corresponding angles. These are essentially angles that occur in the same place with relation to each other. So as an example, A and E would be corresponding. Since they're both in the upper left on the parallel lines. Same thing, B and F, C and G, and D and H. And corresponding angles have this really nice property. Corresponding angles are congruent. They have the same measure. If we could cut this line in half and then take the top piece and slide it down to line up over the second piece, we could see that they are the same. So these are corresponding angles and they are the same measure. They are congruent. Next, I want to look at what's called alternate interior angles. Interior angles are the ones that occur between the two parallel lines, so D, C, E, and F. Alternate interior angles would mean they're on alternate sides. So, as an example, D and F will be alternate interior angles. Same thing with C and E, since they are both interior angles and on opposite sides of the transversal. In addition, these are congruent, and this is a little bit trickier to show, but we can show it. We know that A plus D is 180 degrees since it does lie along a line. In addition, E plus F is 180 degrees. So I can rewrite this as A plus D equal to E plus F. In addition, I know that A is equal to E since A and E are corresponding angles. So I can rewrite this again as A plus D equal to A plus F since A and E are the same. Subtracting A from both sides gives me that D is equal to F. So I do have that alternate interior angles are congruent. In addition, we can have same side interior angles. So once again, these are interior, whereas A, B, H, and G are exterior angles. And same side means they're on the same side of the transversal. So D and E are same side interior. And C and F are same side interior. And same side interior angles are supplementary. They add to be 180 degrees. I can see this because I know A plus D is 180 degrees since it does lie along a line. In addition, I know that A is equal to E since A and E are corresponding angles. So I'm going to write E plus D since A and E are the same, equal to 180, which tells me that my same side interior angles do add to be 180, so they are supplementary. And just like we have these relationships between alternate interior and same side interior, we can also talk about alternate exterior and same side exterior angles as well and create these types of relationships.